let's say these are the 3 points A, B and C. I'm just pointing it in such a way because these are A, B, C are the vertices of a right angle triangle where B is a angle of 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree, right? And the coordinates of A, B, C is given to you, right? What are the coordinates of A, B, C? A is 5, 2, right? And what is the coordinates of B? B is 2 minus 2. This is 2 minus 2. And what are the coordinates of C? It's given as minus 2 and T. Minus 2 and T. We need to find the value of T is what? This is the T. The ordinate of the C coordinate, C vertex is T, right? So we need to find this. So before proceeding, just remember the simple formula of distance formula of coordinate geometry, that is, if x1 y1 are the coordinates of the 2 points of the first point and x2 y2 is the coordinate of the second point, then the distance between these 2 points, let's say P and Q, can be given as root over of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, right? Now, since ABC is a right angle triangle, we should apply the Pythagoras theorem over here, right? So by Pythagoras theorem, you will be getting the lengths of and the relation between these 3 lengths, hypotenuse, perpendicular and base, right? So by applying the Pythagoras, we can write that AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, isn't it? Right? So since AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, we can write the length of AC. What is the length of AC? The length of AC is coming as minus 2 minus 5 whole square plus T minus 2 whole square, right? So I am writing it over here, right? By using the same distance formula, we will be using it, right? Now, what is AC? AC is minus 2 minus 5 whole square plus T minus 2 whole square and root over of this. But finally there is a square, you can see. So after all, there is a square which will be placed on the top, right? And this is equal to, this AC square equal to AB square. So what is the value of AB square? The coordinates of A is 5, 2 and B is 2 minus 2, right? So we can write that 2 minus 5 whole square plus minus 2 minus 2 whole square and root over of this and a square on the top, because you can see AB square, right? So the length of AB and a square of that plus BC square. So what is the length of BC? Minus 2 minus 2. We will be using the distance formula everywhere. Okay, this is the distance formula what we have just revised. So BC will be minus 2 whole square, because minus 2 minus 2, that is abscissa, the first x coordinates, then ordinates, the y coordinates, plus T plus 2, because minus times minus 2 will be plus 2, T plus 2 whole square and root over of this, and on the top a square, right? On the top we have the square, right? So finally we are coming up with the equation. What's that? So 2 minus 5 is 7. So first of all, remember this all square root will be cancelled with this square, right? This will be cancelled. Finally we are left with 49, because 5 plus 2 is 5 minus 2 and minus 5 7 is this one. This will be solving 49 and expand this a minus b on the basis of a square minus b square, a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 4t will be into the LHS, and into the RHS we have 2 minus 5 is 3, so 3 square will be 9. So 9 plus 4 square, that is 16. This one is 16 plus this is the length of AB square, and this one is 4 square is 16, right? 16 plus, you can expand t plus t 2 whole square. This will be coming as t square plus 4 plus 4t, because we have expanded on the form of a plus b whole square, right? Now what we will do, you can say t square here into the LHS and t square here into the RHS will be cancelled out, and here you can also see some common items. Yeah, 4 here into the LHS and 4 here into the RHS will be cancelled out, right? So this will be giving you the next step. What is that? 49 minus 4t. So 49 and this 16 plus 16, 32 plus 9, that is 41. So bring this 41 into the LHS, right? All these constant terms together of RHS, we will brought it into the LHS. So this will be giving you 40 of the already existing RHS, and this 40 will be coming into the RHS, right? So this will be coming as plus 40. So finally this will give you 49 minus 41 as 8 equal to 80, and this will give you 8 by 8 as the value of t, which is coming as 1. So for t equal to 1, t equal to 1 is your answer, right? This is satisfying your criteria that A, B, C, which are the shown vertices of the right angle triangle, and angle B is the right angle, and if these vertices are 5, 2, 2 minus 2 and minus 2t, then the value of t will be coming as 1. So in this way we have solved this question, right? So any query you can put up into the comment box, students, and I hope you like the solution. Okay, I will also come up with the separate live sessions. For any query you can put up into the comment box. You want me to squeeze it? I will squeeze it. Okay, 1 minute. This is the entire solution in front of you, right? This is the entire solution in front of you. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, students, these are the three coordinates A, B, C. I'm quickly revising it. A, B, C having the are the vertices of three vertices of a right angle triangle where angle B is 90 degree. The coordinates of A are 5, 2, B is 2 minus 2, and C is minus 2 and T. Okay, this is a question of coordinate geometry, right? So how we will be assuming it? Let us find it, because the coordinates are given to you, and we need to find the value of T, the ordinate of the C vertices. Okay, this value T is need to be calculated over here, right? So what we did, we quickly revise the distance formula, right? That x1 y1 and x2 y2 are if these are the two coordinates, two vertices, are the coordinates of the 2 points P and Q, then the length PQ can be written as root over of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, using the same formula over here, right? Using the same formula. So this is very important formula, you need to remember it, right? Using the same formula, we applied the Pythagoras in this triangle ABC, right? Then we can say AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square, you remember it, right? So this is very simple question. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, we have written it over here, right? So what is AC square? AC square is by using the same distance formula, we find it minus 2 minus 5 plus t minus 2 whole square. So and a square root, and finally this square. So this square will be cancelling this square root, and all these square roots will be cancelled, and we are left with this equation 49 minus 41 equal to 40 plus 40. So this will give you the value of t equal to 1. So this is your answer, for which this ABC is a right angle triangle, and this finally value of t is calculated as 1, right? This is your answer. Thank you so much for watching, students. Happy learning. Keep on learning. Bye bye. If you find it useful, you can like it. Thank you.